Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Now today I'll be showing you how I make this delicious creme brulee restaurant style with only a few ingredients. You don't need a lot to make this one. So guys, let's get started. So I'm just going to go ahead and start by warming my cream. So here I have some heavy cream. I'll be adding some vanilla to this, and I'll be placing this on my stove top to come to a light simmer. We don't want a vigorous boil. Once you start to see some light bubbles form, you want to turn off your heat. Now I'm going to go ahead and separate my eggs. I was using this little handy dandy egg separator, but it wasn't really working for me. But guys, if you have one at home and it works for you, go ahead and use it. I'll be switching to the old school method, which works quite fine for me and so much easier. Now this is my way of separating my egg yolks. So just break the egg, and pass it through my fingers, and then that's it. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish separating all my yolks from my egg whites. And of course I will leave a measurement down below so you could go ahead and check it out. Now to this I'm going to add some granulated sugar, and I'm going to whisk this until it's light and fluffy. You want to make sure you add granulated sugar. Now that it's at the consistency that I'm looking for, I'm just going to go ahead and start adding my cream. Now you don't want to dump all the warm cream in it all at once, because we don't want scrambled egg yolks. We want to bring it up to temperature, so you're going to add it in small amount until everything is fully incorporated. And to this I'm going to add a pinch of salt just to balance out the flavor, because we don't want to have sweet on sweet. We want to be able to taste the flavor. Now I'm going to transfer this to my measuring cup so I could pour it a bit easier. So here I have some little mini muffin tins. Of course, if you have your ramekin, you could go ahead and use that. And if you have some silicone ramekin, you could go ahead and use that. Whatever you have that's small and is oven safe, you could go ahead and use it. And here I place them in a baking pan. To this I'm going to add some hot water. You could add it into your glass bowl, a glass container, silicone container. Once it's oven safe, you could use it. I'll bake this at 350 for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'll remove them, allow them to cool down for 10 minutes, then add them to my refrigerator to cool completely. Now I'll be using this little handy dandy lighter torch. It's from Reda or Reda. I hope I pronounced that right. I am doing a review on this, guys. It has a little bit of weight to it. It's like it feels firm in your hand. Trust me, it works well. And yeah, it's refillable, so you would have it for a long time. As I said before, it has a little bit of weight to it, but not too heavy. Perfect. It can hold in your pocket, wherever you want to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle on some granulated sugar on top to do my brulee. And I'll leave a link down below where you could purchase this. And yeah, I'll click a link, and trust me guys, it's affordable, it's handy dandy, and you will love it. And of course you could use this to torture your veggies, your steak, melt cheese, whatever you want to do with it. This is your tool. This is going to be your new friendly tool. So I'm just going to go ahead and brulee my creme brulees. And just like that, guys, you could have homemade creme brulee restaurant style at your house in a matter of minutes. After that, it's going to take a little while to set up. So I'm just going to allow this to come and set for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then we're ready to go. It's nice and firm. Decorate this however you like. You could have this for any time of the day, any time of the week. You could make this for Mother's Day, whatever fancy occasion you want to have at home. You could go ahead and do this, and it's quite simple, quick and easy. This is also perfect for date night as well. So guys, remember to go ahead, click the link down below, get your own Rita or Rada torch, and yeah, just have fun with it. Make any amount of dishes you want to make. You could torch, roast, toast, creme brulee, all of the above. That's it, my beautiful people. I thank you so much for watching. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day and bye for now.